My dear Divine Soul, today I will share with you the 5 common mistakes in yoga which people make that generally, and how to fix them. Let me tell you. Number 1 mistake, holding breath. Maximum people what to do, forget to breathe or hold the breath during yoga poses. But my suggestion, don't hold your breath. Just keep breathing normally, naturally and systematically. Number 2 mistakes, forcing flexibility. Trying to push too hard to look flexibility. But why? No need. Just do it as much as you are comfortable and always listen to your body. Number 3 mistake, practicing yoga on a full stomach. But many people want to do before practicing yoga, just take 1 cup tea, coffee, cumin seeds water, green tea, whatever. But my suggestion, don't do that. It can create stomach acid, stomach pain and etc. But just try to practice yoga on an empty stomach, then only you will get good result. Number 4 mistakes, lack of consistency. Doing yoga once in a week with your yoga teacher and expecting much more, that is completely wrong and not possible. My suggestion, if you practice yoga once in a week with your yoga teacher, then others day you should practice by yourself. Then only you will get good result and early result. And number 5 mistakes, skipping Savasana. Ending yoga without relaxation because of no time, that is completely wrong. It could be very harmful for your body. So just take 5 to 6 minutes and relax your body and calm your mind. So these are the 5 common mistakes in yoga, and these are the simple ways to correct them. So if you keep this in your mind, then only your practice become more safer, more deeper and more powerful. Happy day.